In the heart of ancient civilizations, nestled among the treasures of their kitchens and sacred rituals, lay a humble yet powerful spice: coriander seeds. These golden brown orbs, small in size but vast in influence, were more than just a seasoning. They were a bridge between cultures, medicine, and flavor. Thousands of years ago, coriander seeds were discovered in the tombs of Egyptian pharaohs, a testament to their sacred value and enduring presence in daily life. The Egyptians believed coriander to be a gift of preservation and vitality, an herb that connected the earthly and divine. From Egypt, coriander seeds traveled with traders and conquerors, crossing deserts and seas, embedding themselves into the cuisines of Greece, Rome, and beyond. In ancient Greece, coriander was thought to stir warmth within the body, and its seeds were often blended into wine for their fragrance and subtle medicinal properties. The Romans, with their love for bold flavors and culinary exploration, carried coriander seeds across Europe, planting them wherever their armies marched. For them, coriander was both food and remedy, a spice to enhance bread, meats, and broths, but also a tonic believed to calm the stomach and aid digestion. Coriander seeds became a global traveler long before the modern era of globalization, sailing along the Silk Road into India, China, and the Middle East. In India, coriander seeds were embraced wholeheartedly, woven into the very fabric of Ayurvedic tradition, where they were seen as balancing to the body's internal energies. Ground into powders, roasted in spices, or steeped into teas, coriander seeds became symbols of warmth, healing, and nourishment. Their flavor, earthy and citrusy with a touch of sweetness, offered depth and comfort, transforming even the simplest dish into something extraordinary. In Chinese medicine, coriander seeds were believed to stimulate the appetite, clear toxins, and harmonize digestion, aligning perfectly with the principles of balance and flow. Meanwhile, in the Middle East, coriander seeds became part of aromatic spice blends like baharat and dukkha, celebrated for their ability to marry sweetness with savoriness. As the centuries passed, coriander seeds were not confined to traditional medicine or ritual. They became everyday companions of cooks across continents. Bread, curries, soups, stews, and pickles all carried whispers of coriander's warmth, a reminder of its ancient journey from sacred tombs to simple kitchens. Even today, coriander seeds remain central to the world's spice cabinets, connecting modern palates to thousands of years of culinary and cultural history. They are roasted whole to release their fragrance, ground into spice blends like garam masala, or infused into beverages that soothe both the body and the spirit. But coriander seeds are not only about flavor. They continue to hold a place in holistic wellness. Modern science now confirms what ancient traditions already knew. Coriander seeds are rich in antioxidants, help support digestion, and may even promote metabolic balance. To taste coriander seeds is to taste history, a warm, citrus-kissed spice that links us with the wisdom of the ancients. Their journey is a testament to how something so small can shape civilizations, heal bodies, and comfort hearts. From the tombs of pharaohs to the kitchens of today, coriander seeds remain a timeless spice, ancient in origin, eternal in significance. They remind us that flavor is more than taste. It is memory, medicine, and a bond between humanity and the earth. So, when you sprinkle coriander seeds into your meal, you are not just seasoning food. You are participating in a story that began thousands of years ago, a story of trade, healing, and harmony. Coriander seeds, the ancient spice of warmth, healing, and flavor. A gift from the earth that continues to nourish body and soul. Like and subscribe to stay with us on this delicious journey through the world of food and ancient flavors.